Hey guys, this is Ghost AS. I tried to get out in the supposed golden hour. Yeah, the sun beat me to it. So I'm gonna try get as much as I can. While it's a bit light, I did change the camera angle of my camera, so I'm hoping you can see more of this now and not just that. It was a bit of tropical weather today. I wasn't actually going to come out today, but I thought because it's a little bit dry, not too bad, I can try and get something. The type of videos I'm trying to release, I'm just trying to do ASMR sounds of bikes. So no music, no cringe stuff, just literally straight bike sounds. Oh bloody hell, did you see that? Naughty, naughty. But yeah, I'm just trying to get pure sound of bikes, and obviously nice twisty roads if I can find it. Where's the sun gone? Disappeared. I think I'm going the right way. I'm trying to go to a place called Z1N Recorder, and it's kind of hard. I basically got a new phone, so my bloody case had to disappear. Peak Designs are actually in process of making a new case for the S20 Ultra. But yeah, once I get that case, I can then use this good old mount, and then I'm not going to be relying on this bloody thing. Aha, speed humps, can't get me this time. I'm saying that, and then I might just actually face a big speed hump that goes across the road. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that view though. I think I missed a turn, damn it. Some quick U-ey. Oh, this road is a bit bumpy. Ooh, damn, not potholes here. Tell you what, these bloody Yorkshire roads are a bit crazy. I thought the roads in the Midlands were bad. I think this is quite bad, to be fair. I don't like bloody country roads like this. I hate being in a car. I guess on a bike you're alright, but in a car it's like the kind of single lanes. This part's okay, but generally they're a bit annoying. I've just seen that copper from this side. My battery's died, by the way, so I think I'm gonna go back home now, guys. What do you know? And he is. This will make an interesting video.
Hello mate, alright?
You're right. I'm just recording, sorry.
No, it's alright, so am I. Right. Well, the reason I've stopped, there's nothing towards.
Yeah.
When you've come down from Clifton,
Yeah.
you were indicating right.
Yeah, I was.
Turn left, and it's not an indication that people don't want to be.
Yeah. I was gonna go right, but this bloody thing died, so I thought, okay, I need to go back home now.
Right, okay.
That's the only reason. Yeah. No worries, mate, that's fine.
Where you been anyway, nice?
I actually just came out. I was just doing a walk around video of the bike, and then I thought I was gonna go that way, but then I thought this died. Let me just go back home now. But yeah, I was gonna go to Z1N Recorder. Yeah.
You're all good.
Awesome.
Be careful.
I will do it.
Take your time, mate.
See you later. you guys enjoyed that. You know what, the amount of times you see people getting pulled over and just being proper leery to the cops, honestly, like, the way I see it is that if you be truthful, you just be straight to the point, get across, they'll get along with their job, you can go on your way, and it's done within like a few minutes. I mean, I've been pulled a few times where there's oh my goodness, yeah, whether it's in cars or bikes, and I've done stupid shit as well, but luckily I've never ever had points. You know what, I'm not even show you guys like just a quick rev of the bike. It does sound good. I was just talking to a friend the other day, and he goes, you know, when you go for a bike ride, do you do weird noises? I goes, yeah mate, I do it all the time. And I think a lot of bikers, because you're riding on your own, or even if you're in groups, you just do weird noises, even if it's like humming or whatnot. And I'm probably doing it now, and the funny thing is when I edit this video, I probably will hear myself doing some weird grunting noises or whatnot. Like that. Just me doing that. It probably sounds so funny in the bloody video. But yeah guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this.